Hello! Today I am going to show you how to make super easy and simple dairy-free Alfredo sauce with noodles. This sauce is super creamy, flavorful and one of the easiest keto dinners. So let me first show you what we need to make this dinner, okay? So we need Shirataki noodles, and I want you to watch my video where I show you how to actually cook a Shirataki noodle. So the video will be posted below in the description below this video. So please make sure you watch before you cook this dinner, okay? Then we have diced bacon, cherry tomatoes and parsley. We need those for garnish. And let's go over the sauce ingredients. We need garlic, onion, some avocado oil for frying. This is chicken bone broth, some splash of juice, lemon juice, and coconut cream or milk from can. Alright, so our noodles are ready, and now we are going to make the sauce. Alright, so we will cook our onion first with garlic. I like to use fresh garlic instead of like dry spice, because we'll have a little bit better flavor. Okay. I will link the recipe below the video, so you will see how many ingredients and in what quantities are needed for the recipe. Wow, it already smells so nice because of the garlic. I love garlic aroma. What about you? Okay. We just need to make this onion maybe a little bit brown. And in this recipe, because we have coconut, I am also using coconut oil to fry the onion. We have coconut oil here, we have coconut milk, and also I will use coconut flour to make this sauce thick. The coconut flour is great for thickening dishes. So what I do before we add this, we add the coconut flour here, I will mix with chicken broth. Wow, okay, we almost ready with this. I wish I just put the cloves so you could see how fast this recipe is. You can skip the flour and instead use garlic if you don't like too much coconut flavor. But I like it, and that's why I am using. Let's shake the milk. I am using coconut cream, but you can use coconut milk as well. Now I am adding the coconut flour. ketogenic diet doesn't need to be difficult. To come up with a new recipe, it's very easy because you just need to know what substitute you need to use for the regular product you use in recipes, like a regular cookbook. For example, here I replaced wheat flour with coconut flour. So that's simple it is. Now let me pour our milk. Okay, this will be better to mix all the ingredients together. So you see, it's getting thick, and this is what we wanted to see. Nice. I'm getting hungry already. So for example, if your sauce is too liquidy, you can add more flour, or opposite, more milk if it's too thick. And like I said, the other option you can do is add xanthan gum or guar gum. So we need to cook till the sauce gets a little bit thick and start bubbling. Oh, it's bubbling. Nice. So I would add sea salt, pepper, black pepper. Nice. You can also make this recipe ahead, so it's great for meal prep for the week. All right. In my case, I see that I need more coconut flour. I am adding maybe 2 more spoons. So we really can play with the quantity of the product and make it as per your liking. Smells delicious. Okay. So, oh yeah, we also need a splash of the lemon juice. Just like this. Okay. And at this stage, I think I need to try a little bit to make sure that all the flavors are perfectly mixed together. So, wow. Perfect. And I don't want this sauce to be too thick, so I will leave it like this. Okay. I love cooking, really. So sauce, okay. Once start bubbling, I will put it on the side. It's bubbling. Oh wow. And coconut milk has a lot of fat, so we have all the macronutrients of keto in this recipe. Just want to add the noodles at this stage, at this moment, so they can really absorb the sauce flavors. Okay, and we'll cook for a few more minutes. And one thing is missing here, some protein. So you can serve this Alfredo sauce with noodles with chicken or maybe some shrimps, salmon, whatever you like. This also go well with bacon. So today I will show you my dish will be with bacon, but like I said, you can really play with the protein. Wow, look at this. Mike, can you show? It's really like Alfredo and smells like Alfredo sauce. I didn't know, I'm so hungry. So awesome. Alright, so I need to wrap up this video pretty quickly. I think I really want to enjoy this delicious meal. Alright, so let's cook our bacon. Ta-da! The skillet should be hot first. So maybe I will clean up a little bit and make our garnish. I am using parsley, but you can use dill, cilantro. It depends what type of protein you are going to eat along with this sauce. Wow, I love parsley. Alright. Wow, smells so good. Our bacon needs to be nice and crispy. Okay, our bacon is super crispy, so we will be adding that into our Alfredo sauce. We don't need that fat from the bacon. We just need the crisps, the bites, small bites. I want to combine all the yummy ingredients together. And this is pretty much it for this dinner. I just need to warm it up a bit. You know, you could start with making your bacon. So, because right now I see the noodles are a little bit cold, so I need to really warm it up, all of the ingredients, to have them ready to eat right away. Nice. And the last ingredient here is parsley, but you can, like I said, add any herbs you like. But I think with this bacon and coconut and tomato, parsley works perfectly. All right, time for serving. One last thing I wanted to mention here. This coconut flavor is still noticeable. So if you are not a big fan of coconut, maybe this recipe is not for you. But for those who like, it's perfect. It's super delicious and yummy. So let me know if you like it. Put a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're interested in any topic around the ketogenic diet. Please let me know and I would be happy to make the video for you. Thank you so much for watching my video and see you in the next one. Bye!